Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another Canva tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll be looking at working with gradients and gradients with photographs in this example, just to show you how you can use the gradients to add colour and basically change the actual feeling of an actual photograph with gradients. So here we are, I've got a 1000 by 1000 canvas. I can see on the left I've got some images here. Just put in nature, so we can just choose one of these images, and then just drag this out and center it, something like that. Let's get the tree roughly in the middle. Now you will find that you have more opportunities and more options if you are a pro member with Canva than you would as a free member, but that doesn't mean to say that you can't create some stunning images even as a free member. That you can. But anyway, let's just change this image here. I'll just go to play the recents that I've been working with. So let's have this red one here. I'm just going to flip that vertically to get the red at the top, and then drag it down. So now you can see you've got a fiery red sky, very dramatic, and this is what you can do with gradients. Just very simple stuff, but very, very effective. Let's just try another one now. Let's get rid of this one, change the image, and we go to this image. Let's just try and drag this out. I'll just try and give you a few examples really today. This is a lovely winter image, but what would happen if we can give it a blue sky? So same again, let's flip vertically and drag that across. So as you can see, the blue is interfering now with these mountains, so we can just push this up a touch, something like that, and then you can see all of a sudden you've got a bright blue sky on this image rather than a dull wintry scene. So this is another way you can manipulate these images. So this is basically what I like doing. I enjoy playing about with these types of things. So this is a black and white eye. It's quite dramatic, isn't it? Let's put that somewhere there. So as you can see, these gradients come in all different sizes, diagonals. So there's something for every project. Some are hollow in the middle. But let's just use this one, and you can just drag this in and give this image some colour. So obviously you can bring down the transparency of this. You're in control of everything. Let's leave it at 75, so you can still see the details of the eye coming through. So with this, you're only limited to your imagination. Here's Einstein. It doesn't need any introduction. Obviously just a black and white image, but same thing again. Let's actually do this one, and I'll drag it that way, put it here, and we can change this colour. Just click on edit image and then click on duotone, and you can see all the colours that you can use with this. Let's try this like an orange, and you can see it just brings in a great effect. You can move it back, obviously, as you're in complete control of it, and obviously you can change the actual transparency just to tone it down a little bit, maybe something like that. But there's all sorts of things that you can do with these. Let's try one more, maybe a skyline, and drag that out. So we've got like some skyscrapers on a grey image, of course, because it's black and white. So let's go back to that blue again. Maybe a deeper blue this time. Let's drag that round. Let's see what this looks like. So that works quite well. It's actually faded into grey. Yeah, that works quite well. So you can see all of a sudden you can give the skylines a really nice deep blue sky. But let's have some more fun with these gradients. So here we've got an actual portrait image which we can add a green free gradient. Obviously this is free. I just need to drag this down. And because I've got a 1000 pixel canvas, I can basically do stripes for this. I can do 4 of 250 or 5 of 200. So I'm just going to drag this out to 200 and then just drag it to the top and just copy that and copy it again. So there we go. So now we can just click on the first column and choose edit image, go to duotone. I'll just make this first one like this pop colour, like a purple. The second one I'll do maybe a sea blue. Third one maybe amber or pomelo. They look basically the same. Let's go with amber. And the third one maybe a red. Either cherry or fuchsia. Let's look at cherry. Yeah, that looks okay. So we can really push these out. You can basically have it just like that if you wanted, or you can push these out. Let's just go back now and go into filters. And if you choose the peony, you'll see you get a lot deeper colour. So click on this. You can see it really pushes that colour out now. Just do the same for all 5. And there you can see the image. So there you go. This is what you can do. Obviously you can control all the transparency if you wanted to bring it down a touch. But like I say, you're only limited to your imagination. I think these are great images where you can use with black and white. Obviously you could do half of it coloured, half of it black and white. It's up to you. You're in complete control of everything. But you can make some great graphics just using gradients. And just basically experiment and enjoy yourself. Anyway, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it of interest. Please leave comments if you have any comments or any questions. Well, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it today. My name is Mark Anthony. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care and bye for now.